Good morning, class. So we are discussing the chapter Athos, Porthos, and Aramis. So the last part of this text discussion is left now. So before that, let us just once revise what is going on. Clear. So in last class we have discussed that both means D'Artagnan and the Musketeers are actually going to face a battle towards uh, cardinal uh, guards of Jussac, Monsieur de Jussac. Now the rule is that if any monsieur with his guards or any monsieur's guards are coming on the way, you should not do duel and all. Duel means fight between two people. You should not do. So as it is the rule, but they are not following the rules. The musketeers on the way only, D'Artagnan and Athos already have started their battalion duel and all. So instead of all those things, the musketeers are thinking that it is better to fight then be captured by them. They'll not leave, they'll not move as a coward from there. So it is against the musketeers rule. They are also soldiers, they are also very nice short short fighting and all. They are very nice on that field, so they don't want to lose the battle. Even D'Artagnan, who is not a musketeer, not a soldier, then also he didn't actually step a move. You can see here, D'Artagnan did not move a step from there. He's also very brave to face those. So what is there then? You are a brave fellow, said Athos. Athos said that you are a very brave fellow. You didn't move from there like us. What is your name? D'Artagnan, sir. He said, D'Artagnan. Well, Porthos, Aramis, and D'Artagnan forward and cried Athos, "Come forward and let us just battle." So, who is coming towards? Cardinal guards. Okay, cardinal guards of whom? It is written there. Of whom cardinal guards? These cardinal guards are actually related with Monsieur de Jussac. As I said, names are little bit difficult as all are related with French origin. We have to keep it in mind. D'Artagnan and the three musketeers are related with Monsieur de Treville. And on the way, cardinal guards are coming who are actually related with Monsieur de Jussac. He is also a very famous swordsman. Clear? Now let's just read through the text what is written. They rushed at the cardinal's guards and a fierce fight began. Then the fight has begun. D'Artagnan fought like a tiger against Jussac. He's all actually have a nice battle with Jussac and wounded him badly. Jussac is wounded by D'Artagnan. See, though musketeers are there, D'Artagnan not a musketeer, not a swordsman, but he tried his best and fight. Wounded him badly. Then he went to help Athos. He helped Athos, who was growing paler and paler, but was still fighting bravely. Though it is difficult to fight, but he is going on fighting with the cardinal guards. After a few minutes of rest, Athos returned to fight and managed to kill his enemy. And he killed his enemy. Aramis and Porthos wounded their enemies so badly that they could not fight again. Even they cannot stand also. Only one of the cardinal guards, the name is Biscarat. Biscarat is actually going on fighting with them. This is the what you call, you can say the rule. A short man cannot be defied until he defied by his enemy with the sword and all. He cannot go back or say that I cannot fight like a coward. So that element should be there. So it is present in Biscarat. He reminded on his fate. He saw that he was one against four. He was just going on battling with four. Four means here the musketeers and D'Artagnan. Others all are actually, it's a very bad position to fight. Already wounded or killed. But he refused refused to surrender his sword. He didn't surrender. He didn't surrender. This is not the way to behave. To do so was to show that he was beaten. So if he surrender instead of in front of that foe, that means he was beaten by someone. He don't want to do that one. Instead, he broke his sword across his knee. He first broke his sword. Bravery is always respected. Underline this one. Bravery is always respected in, if it is enemy too, then also it is always respected. The musketeers saluted Biscarat with their swords and returned them to their scabbards. Scabbards means it's a leather part of that sword, metal or leather cover for the blade of a sword, the cover. So as he didn't surrender in front of them, so they are very pleased, though he is an enemy, doesn't matter, but that is very important to say that he didn't surrender against them. Still he said that he will battle with them, and he just broke his sword there. After that, what? The musketeers saluted him and returned back his scabbard. Scabbard, you have to learn that one. Okay, the meaning of scabbard. It's leather, or you can say metal part of that cover. It's a cover of the blade of the sword. Then they carried their wounded enemies to the convent nearby. So they didn't leave them there alone. They took them to the convent. Has your opinion of the three musketeers changed at all at this point, and why? See, your opinion can be changed. As musketeers, they fought, but you have to keep it in mind they are against the rule. As rule has already fixed that you cannot fight between if anyone has coming like that, like Monsieur de Jussac and all. On the way you cannot fight, but against the rule they fought, and even they actually challenged the D'Artagnan cardinal soldiers that instead of that they will battle with them. So here opinion will be changed. Altogether they have fought for their own. Waving the four swords they had captured, the victorious musketeers set off happily for Monsieur de Treville's headquarters. So that they went all together. They walked arm in arm, occupying the whole street. Whole streets they were just walking, feeling very brave to fight with the other party, and at least their own. D'Artagnan was filled with joy as he walked proudly between 1,000 Porthos. D'Artagnan was also feeling very happy as he is walking with them. If I am not yet a musketeer, he told his new friends, at least I am on the way of becoming one. So he is telling that I am not a musketeer, but now I am on that process. Means I am on that going on process to be a musketeer like them. So he is feeling very proud as he actually with them fought for their own and won the game, won the battle. Okay, so this is only the text. Hopefully the text, I know a little bit different it is, but you'll get interest if you read thoroughly properly. So what I said, full text you will just revise, try to understand the text, even the meaning, and as I said, list down the names. All the names you are actually can be massed up with each other. Okay, D'Artagnan, after that the three musketeers name, then the two monsieurs name, different, their cardinal guards. Who among the cardinal guards are actually looks brave and don't want to surrender, like that short questions may come. So text thoroughly, properly, minutely you have to read, so that each questions you can answer. Okay, so just go through the text properly. Then next class, a short or brief summary of the text again I'll discuss, then we'll start the question answer. Okay, till then just revise the text. Thank you class.